Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Tesla Model 3 air filter. First, gather your tools, including a trim removal tool and a T20 Torx driver. You will also need 2 new HEPA cabin air filters specifically designed for the Model 3. Before you begin, make sure your Tesla is completely powered off to ensure safety during the process. This simple maintenance can greatly improve your cabin air quality. Now, let's access the filter housing. Start by removing the passenger side floor mat and then the lower trim panel beneath the glove box. Be gentle when detaching the electrical connector from the small light on the panel. Next, locate and unscrew the 2 T20 Torx screws that secure the air filter access panel. Once these are removed, you can carefully pull the panel away. With the access panel removed, you'll see the old air filters. Carefully pull them out, paying attention to how they are oriented, as the new ones need to go in the same way. Take a moment to clean out any leaves or debris that might have accumulated inside the filter housing. Then, insert your 2 new HEPA filters, ensuring the airflow arrows point towards the rear of the vehicle for proper function. To finish up, reattach the air filter access panel and secure it firmly with the 2 T20 Torx screws. Don't forget to reconnect the electrical connector to the light before snapping the lower trim panel back into place. Finally, replace the floor mat. You've successfully replaced your Tesla Model 3 cabin air filters. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.